So this video is just about logging into your app and to be able to get a sound or your blog. Basically, it's what it's called is the CMS system. It's the content management system. So you click the menu over here on the left and it'll open up this, and you click on content. Here will bring you to all of your content. Now the way this works is first it opens up the articles. You have a drop down here which gives you options for everything. You have categories, depending on what category you put it in, depends on how the apps is set up, and then you can filter. So this is your picture that goes along with your blog article here that have already been posted, who has been written by, as you can see here, Live Well Church, on what date, and if there's any comments made to it. Over here it says this has been published. You can click on that to make it pending so people can't see it. You can delete it, or you can do some mass edits this way. So for this video, we're going to show you how to do a sound. And sound works the same with videos or photos and a lot of other things. So with this sound, here you can see now it says add a sound, and it works the same way. It's a lot of the same example, and we've already uploaded quite a few sounds for this app. So you click on new sound, and what you do here, it'll open up all this. This is all your information that you'll need to add for your sound. You click on browse. Browse will just open up this dialog box, and here you just search through your computer. If you have a Windows, it'll look a little different. This is obviously a Mac. And then you click the sound that you want to upload. Now ideally you're uploading MP3, and it will take some time to upload, so you just got to let it go depending on your internet speeds. So for sake of time, okay, so for sake of time, I'm just going to jump to sound I've already uploaded. So you can see here I put in the title, I uploaded it. After you upload it, it'll bring this thing up, and you'll be able to edit what image you want to put up here, and you upload that the same way you would a sound. When you scroll down, you'll see this box here, and this box is the same for articles, for videos, for anything else. It's how you type in here. So here you can put, all news sermon, by pastor whoever. And here you can edit this, make it bigger, and this just works like Word and a lot of other things. You can also hit the plus here to add another text box. You can add photos to this, an additional video, a quote, or embed something else with this. But simply for most apps, this all you need is put a little details down here, and you have all this. Now over on the right, you have your info and your search engine optimization, and then we'll get to that next. Your info right now, the only category for this particular app is sermon audio, so that's where it's at. You have your author here, and you can change this to whoever you want depending on how that works. The date that you want to have it published, or say it was published in the past a certain time. You're able to click this here. This will highlight it and put it at the top of the list for all sounds. Sometimes you just have a particular sound you want everybody to see no matter where they're at on the app or what sound they're going to. And this kind of shows you the thumbnail, what it'll look like, and it's similar to what you would see here. And then you have some other links that you don't necessarily need to worry about. Your SEO is just basically if somebody searched for this on the internet, what would they find? So here's just the section slug. It kind of shows you what the URL is going to look like. So it's app.livewellchurch.org/sermon audio. That's the section we're in. It gives you the it's just more of the computer things, and then what you want that slug to be. And you can really put in more descriptions and tags here. And then after that, you click down here and you click publish. Now this arrow allows you to delay it. So if you want to go out later in the week or month, you can do pending, which is similar to save as draft, but it's more official, just it's ready to go. Saving as draft just really means you gotta come back and work on it. And then publish. And once you publish it, it goes ahead and loads and publishes automatically. And that's how you do sounds. Same with articles, videos, or anything like that.